About a couple weeks ago, Google just released this new I/O 2026 news, and here's what every single local contractor or local SEO needs to know. And they just announced that AI agents will basically call local businesses on behalf of their customers to ask for quotes, ask for services. If your GBP is not ready, you will not get that call. On top of that, there's going to be information agents in search. So it's reimagining how traditional search is. Instead of going roofer near me, usually the user will have a question: what is the best licensed roofer with XYZ service costs? And that's what Google is going to move more towards. So it's more like traditional, how you ask your friend a question on how to find the best roofer or best plumber. That's what search is going to be more catered towards. So first thing, AI mode just hit 1 billion users. So AI search is no longer optional. So AI mode launched around 1 year ago, almost 1 billion monthly users, and queries are just doubling every single quarter. It's the fastest growth in search history. So local searches are heavily represented: plumber near me, HVAC in XYZ city, and electrician. So if you're not showing up in AI answers, you're probably missing half of your market. And this has been one of the gold rushes that's happened ever since the dot-com boom. And now Google agents will call businesses for customers specifically. So agentic booking is expanding to home repair this summer. So essentially a customer will ask, find me a plumber in Dallas who can come tomorrow. Google's AI agent will call the business directly to check for availability and booking. The customer never picks up the phone and the AI does it for them. So if your GBP is incomplete or your phone is not answered, Google's agent moves on to the next result. Next, what your GBP needs in order to actually be agent ready for Google's update. So the phone number must be correct and answered during business hours. Service lists must be complete and actually match what the customer is looking for. Business hours must be accurate. Agents will not call if you're marked as closed. And then categories must match the service. If you have the wrong categories, invisible to the agent. So Google will essentially call businesses on behalf of users in home repair, beauty, pet care. It's rolling out in the US summer 2026. So now information agents monitoring the web 24/7. So now AI agents can basically scan reviews, citations, listings to make recommendations to their user. So when a user sets up an agent to find a contractor, it continuously scans the web. It reads the reviews, your website, your GBP, your description, and then your citation footprint to see what other people are mentioning of you online. In businesses with strong, consistent data, you're recommended, while weak profiles will get skipped. So this is the same data Google Maps uses to rank you. Now it just feeds AI agents as well. So let's say they want somebody that could come tomorrow that does emergency plumbing calls. If you don't have that listed on your Google business profile, you're not going to get that call, and AI agents won't call your business just because you don't mention it on your website and you don't mention it on your GBP. Next, personal intelligence knows what customers need before they search. So now Google connects to Gmail, Photos, calendars to search AI as well. So if a customer gets an HOA violation email, Google knows that they need a contractor. If their calendar shows a move-in date, Google knows that they might need HVAC service. AI proactively suggests local businesses based on the user's personal context. And then just being in the top result in your category in the city has never been more valuable, because now AI can basically connect all to a user's or homeowner's personal life. They know exactly what they need on a daily basis. So here's what you need to do this week. So number one, audit your GBP before these features roll out. So verify your phone number, number one, is correct and answer during listed hours. Number two, add all 10 categories. Agents match by category, not just by keyword specifically. And then you need to complete your service list with descriptions. So you need 30 plus services minimum, and you need to add descriptive descriptions to all of them to actually tell Google what you do specifically. Next, update your business hours. If you're available 24/7 for emergencies, you need to list it on your profile. And then let's get into how you can build your AI search footprint now. So your review text trains AI on what your business does and where. And then you need to ask customers to mention the service and the city in the review. It's not about the quantity of reviews. It's more about recency, the velocity of reviews, and how the reviews actually portray your company. So if they're mentioning the service in the city, you're going to rank a lot better. So you need citations on major directories. Agents will actually cross-reference this and actually see if you're on these directories versus your competitors. Next, you need to add schema markup on your website. This is machine readable data AI agents can read directly. So with Google, they basically have this Google schema that you need to place on your website. So whenever Google's agents actually crawl your website, they know exactly what to look for. If you're a local business, what your phone number is, your email, where your business location is, the services you provide. If you don't have this schema on the website, Google's agents might miss it, or all the web crawlers might miss it. So businesses that dominate Google Maps will dominate AI agent recommendations tomorrow. The signals are exactly the same. So I hope you got some sauce out of this video. Here are the things that you really need to do. Google business profile has never been more important. Your local SEO has never been more important. important, and this will transition into AI SEO as well. So if you're a local business and you want us to handle all of the website and GBP stuff to actually rank you on Google search and AI search, you can click a link in the description and book a call with me or one of my team members, or you can also schedule a video audit call that will just send directly to you. If you're an agency and you want to just white label us and automate all of your clients' GBP, you can also click a link in the description as well. So I hope you like this video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.